Following on from the last example, we'll now see how to format and access using commas. So as you can see in this case, we've got the data here and there are no commas here. So if I want to format this, I'll go and select it first. So I click on it. So then I'll right click over here, go to where it says Format Access, and this brings up the pane here, and again there's these 4 tabs. If I make sure the Access Options item is or tab is selected, down here I've got number, so I can select different types of number. So for instance, I can use the 1000 separators, so I can enable that, and I can control the decimal places. So for instance, if I wanted something else, maybe just general, it would be like that. If I wanted a number format, it would be like this. And from here, by default, it's going to use 2 decimal places and use the 1000 separators, so it will now look like that. If you don't want the 2 decimal places, you can just change that to 0 and confirm that, and that will now look like this. So if I just click outside, you can see it just makes this easier to read. So you've got the comma separator here for the thousands, and you've got 0 decimal places.